Hey, it's John, and I wanted to tell you a quick story about how one simple move doubled Cat's revenue fast. Now, Cat had a thriving business. She was doing great work. Her clients loved her. She was already giving generously, but her pricing didn't reflect it. She was undervaluing herself. Now, I get it. Raising prices can be scary. What if people say no? What if I lose clients? What if I price myself out of the market? But here's the truth. True generosity means valuing what you bring to the table. We ran her business through the Make the Right Moves framework and found the exact move that changed everything. She adjusted her pricing strategically, not randomly. She positioned her value so clients saw why she was worth more. And in 2 months, she doubled her revenue. This is what happens when you make the right moves. When you stop undervaluing yourself and start leading with generosity and clarity. So join me in the Make the Right Moves webinar and learn how to do this for your business. Do me a favor, mark your calendar now for Thursday, February 27th at 3:00 p.m. We're online. Use your magic link, check your email, and we're live because I'll be sharing insights that I won't be sending in the replay. Make sure you're there because your next right move could change everything. See you soon.